Welcome to day 2 of the C10 Fall Revival. I am just outside of the show gates. We were coming in the other side and traffic's backed up for over a mile that way, and now it's getting backed up over a mile this way. What a difference it's gonna be today. There was about 500 trucks that came out to the show yesterday, and today, I think we're gonna be close to that 2,000 number. So we're gonna get a truck count for you guys, but for now, let's enjoy the walk into C10 Fall Revival, day 2. I told you I'd come back today. What's up, man? Yeah, buddy. Yeah, buddy. Good, brother. How are you?
I watched you last night.
Did you really? Awesome, man. Hey, what's up, man? Yeah, right. Oh. What's up, Chris? What's up, Jesse? How you doing, man? Sorry about y'all's tent, man. Yeah. So we parked at the square body booth. Got me, got John, and you got Derek in the back over here hanging out. So AMD had a fiasco yesterday and lost their tent because they were parked like in this area, and I mean, it sucks that that happened to AMD, but hey, it worked out for us. Show is significantly busier today than it was yesterday. This thing is beautiful.
It could be yours.
Yeah, it could be yours.
Can we just have the top?
Yeah. Oh, it's a stick? I said, oh, it's a stick?
Yeah, it's a 6.2 supercharged.
Oh, nice, man. Nice. 6.2 supercharged, full top Blazer on air, 77. Keep calling it a Blazer, it's a Jimmy. That color's sweet. There you go, bro. It's right here.
Yeah, got the vintage and all that on there.
That's beautiful, man. He has registration number 1459. When we pulled in this morning, we heard the truck count was 900 at 9 o'clock. A couple of hours later, Jason Moe drove by and said it was about 1,100. And then we're at about 1,500. So this is freaking crazy, man. Tent set up for the GM tailgate tour. We are gonna participate in that this year.
They may get her one.
We are?
You going with me? Maybe? You wanna do the tailgate tour?
Maybe.
I wanna do at least one leg.
All right.
Like from Pensacola to like Tennessee and then back. So that whole field was basically empty yesterday for spectator parking, and now it's completely full. There's old Ford out there. Oh, cool. We got like what? Like a little grill here? Saw this old ambulance roll in yesterday. Excuse us. You're getting in front of their picture, babe. Yeah. This whole row opened up from yesterday. We were at that, I don't know what that's called, but it basically stopped right here and it was just that whole row going that way. Got quite a few more trucks here today. Got a nice dually over here. Really nice square body right here. Look at this. Okay. This thing is clean, dude. Got an old school utility bed right here. Oh, that thing's sick. Look at this. That's cool. Yeah. Good old cowhide seats. This is really nice, man. Florida trucks? Oh, is this the guy you were telling me about? Okay, yeah. Some Florida trucks right here. How y'all doing? All right, so back at this truck. I've seen this truck before. I saw it at LST. And Ryan Meyer built this truck quite a few years ago. This is Black Cloud. So he did all this work. Ryan Meyer's the guy with Dirty Martini. It's the 1970 olive green C10 that was built at Collector Car Studio in Missouri. So yeah, this is where this truck came from. Crazy, man. The only reason I knew is because it literally says it right there. But yeah, I'll have to take pictures and send it to him. Just met Mike, the owner of this truck. He said he's getting ready to pull this 383 stroker out and put a 6.2 in it. That'd be a fun combo right there. His buddy Dale's got a 59 Fleet Side Apache that he's trying to get to Daytona, so I might see him out there. well, that wraps up the C10 Fall Revival, day 2 for us. So I have some unfortunate news. I did an interview with Lou Perez, who's one of the organizers of the show, and I lost the audio. But basically, he told me they had between 1,700 and 2,000 trucks. There was a back gate fiasco. The traffic was backed up 2 miles trying to get in. So they opened up the back gate and made it. Yeah.
We're gonna look at some cool stuff.
Look at spiders?
Yeah.
Oh, they're gonna go look. I guess Derek found some more spiders. They have between 1,700 and 2,000 trucks at the show, which is freaking wild. When they first started, they had about 230 trucks for their very, very first show. To see it grow to this level is insane. Literally 10 times the amount of attendance than they had the first year. And this is the 4th show, I believe, that they've had. He also said that Ronald McDonald House is a beneficiary of the event. They're a nonprofit organization that takes care of sick children. So the goal this year was to raise 20 grand for them. We don't have the final count yet, but he's confident they have about $25,000 raised for the Ronald McDonald House. They have 5 5-gallon water jugs full of cash. Now, this is a free show, so anybody that rolled through more than happily donated to the cause. I also lost audio on 2 interviews. I interviewed James Stewart in his 1974 four-wheel drive Blazer, and I interviewed Paul Bigelow, who just finished his C10 build and just got it down here. So super bummed about the audio, but nonetheless, we're going to close it out here. As always, I appreciate you guys hanging around and watching this one. We're going to go get some dinner and celebrate Mike Losh's birthday tonight. We'll see you guys in the next video.
Come on, that was funny.
That was terrible. That was water.
I thought it was hilarious.
I got it.
Yeah. Because it's your birthday. You do that one, I'll get another one.
Yes, sir. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Mike. Happy birthday to you. Safety buddies! Safety!
All right, give her some weight, boys. Yeah. Get somebody else on here. Yeah.
Oh, there! Yeah, that's the noise you want right there.
As good as I can. Louisiana. We will make it home. Yeah. That looks better already.
Did it roll it up a little, any?
We need more.
We need more.
One more person.
That's what she
More
said.
jack pull.
The only prescription.
Big ass up here. That sounded good.
We might need to do that on the other side now.
That's the slosh tubs right there. Yeah. I know a guy.
Don't breathe it in.
Not as best as.
No, you didn't go up that far, did you?
Yeah.
No. I don't think you.
Oh no, we're nowhere near that.
Yeah.
But I think it rolled it more. There's quite a few chunks out of the tire.
Oh, dude, it's pretty gnarly, man.
Here we are.
Yeah. I don't see the steel belt. We're good.
Yeah.
What? Steel belt? I don't see him yet. Oh, you're good. I thought you just said I see. It's just a little scar.
Yeah. Yeah, you'd be all right.
We'll make it back to Maryland.
Yeah.